Welcome back to my vlog channel. It's reaping time again, guys, but this time we're reaping string bean. Yes, string bean ready already. Over there full of string bean. We almost get a tray of string beans and we have a lot more to pick off. Yes, bless them up, Bubba.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, sister, you know.
Cowboy, see him where? uh, yeah, we have a whole heap of string beans to pick. Right there. Look at that, guys. Look at string beans. So much string beans to pick. Hmm? And what I like about these string beans, that they grow so long. Look at that. Nice organic string beans. The only thing we put on it was some fall manure. Man, string beans beer like it here news. Whole lot of string beans are reaping this morning. You can hear the fall in the background. You know, the country and the farm. Anyone ready me to cut him off? You know, I'm not leaving any to dry up on the tree. Because, you know, by we come back tomorrow or the next day, we're reaping another 2 trays of string beans. By the time you pick them off, they start growing again. And the last time I check, I have to check again. But the last time I checked at the market, it was $250 per pound for string beans. String beans look pretty, but we're not sure. Whole heap of string beans. Man, I'm so happy to see it bearing like this. What a harvest. A blessing. And for those people who have diabetes, like my hubby, you would know that string bean is very good for diabetes, for helping to contain your sugar levels. There's just so many string beans. I'm just picking here, there, and everywhere, but I should really do 1 tree at a time. But the string beans just have me going all over the place. Come show them this. Look how many string beans on this 1 tree. Oops. It's because the limb heavy down with the string bean, make it break, you know. Like I can estimate that you can literally get up to 3 pounds from one tree if you're picking it persistently. You'll probably get up to 5 pounds. Whew. Yep. But them tree over there, so the string beans, them how them small and them are bare, so yeah, it look like they didn't get enough water over there. So guys, the sun is up and we're doing our string bean harvesting. Of course, when I'm finished harvesting, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But for now, we're taking a commercial break.